Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a couple cards with you, and this is going to be in response to Leasy46's hashtag SpreadKindness57. Today is actually the last day that you can join this challenge, and what she has done is challenged each and every one of us for her 57th birthday, if I'm not mistaken, to make a card and just send it out to someone who you haven't sent a card to. It could be a family or a friend, or just give them a card. So I made a couple cards yesterday for this challenge, and I just finished them up today. So I'm going to show you everything that I used to create the card, and then we'll take a closer look. So starting out, for this card here, I use mustard seed yellow, as well as for this card too, Tumble Glass, and here is cracked pistachio. That's for that card. And then for this card, I use that mustard seed yellow again. And I made it in like a rainbow, kind of, sort of. Rainbow colors. Twisted Citron, Prize Ribbon, and I love this color. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Worn Lipstick, and then Seedless Preserves. I did sprinkle a little bit of water on top, just to give it that water effect. My ink is VersaFine Onyx Black ink. That looks a little blurred. And then the slimline die is from Cottage Cuts. Great price I got that for. On their last sale was like $8. And then I'm also using, well, goodness gracious, I'm using the stamp set. Thank you. And then here goes the die that I'm using. It goes with that. And then from my craft spot, I am using Just For You Friend. And I almost don't like that, just for, but I hadn't used that before, so hey, it is what it is. And then from Altenew, I am using Spring Roses die set. So that's what I am using for both cards. So this card, I took the inside out, and it was a little time consuming. There's a little color there or something. It was a little time consuming to lay these down, and I just used part of the rose there. But nevertheless, I thought it turned out pretty good. I had a smudge, ink smudge of a kind of a day. So whoever gets this card, I'm so sorry that it smudged a little bit, but it is what it is. I forgot about the ink, and that ink needs a little time to dry, and yes, it's smudged, but it still looks good. Just For You, Beautiful Friend, and I forgot to get that die set, but it's a few dies that are in my stash. I don't know where I got that from. And then this here, that's the inside of the card there. Really pretty. I still want to use it because I took the time to use all my inks and stuff, so it's still pretty, but it's just got that little smudge. And then this one's even worse with the smudge. I tried to cover it up a little bit. I'm telling you, I had smudges all over. I'm just like, oh my gosh. But I took too much time to spread the ink and all of that, and yeah, so I said I'm going to use it anyways. But I still like how the card looks. I added some gems on both of them, and those gems are from BB Craft, and then I finish off the inside the same way. So those are both of my cards. If you have the time to pop a card up today, go ahead and join in Leasy46's challenge. And she said you can just take this challenge throughout the year just to remember to spread kindness. And you can still use that hashtag SpreadKindness57 throughout the year. Happy birthday, Leasy! And I know that was the main reason why she wanted to do this, because it was her birthday. So happy birthday to you. All right. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.